shit be hitting different.
We're pulling up to the spot right now. How many cars do you think we can fit here? I think like what, like over 50 for sure. 5,200, because just that strip alone is 19.
Close to like 150 spots. Probably more.
You think so? I think we got like 100 spots right here. Easy. Alright, so it would probably help if I turn the microphone on. Good to go. Alright, let me get into the logistics of today. So today's going to be a very, very exciting and important day. If you don't know, you probably don't know because I've kept it in the back burner. I've kept it a secret and I haven't really told anybody. But I pretty much started a car club with two of my other friends, Cristhian and Javier. They're pretty much like my best friends. I've known them since middle school and stuff. And we started a car club at Nakama Nation. So go check them out. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because big things are happening, always in the works. So we recently had a Category 5 Hurricane Dorian to come and kind of really destroyed the Bahamas really badly. So we're pretty much hosting a meet, Nakama Nation's first meet actually, and it's gonna be today. Well, by the time you see this video it's gonna be too late, but it's gonna be today, and we're hosting a meet to gather supplies for them. So Bahama strong, we're gonna go get the rest of the day doing because we got a lot of stuff to do. Oh man, we're running late. Let's go.
You're not really recording this.
Oh yes I am, and it's going in the vlog.
We're gonna make beautiful babies.
Oh god, alright. Cut!
Seriously. Look at my makeup.
Looking on fleek.
Really cute. We have matching shirts. How do you do it? I wanna know how you do it.
So you hold the camera like this.
Okay.
And then you get closer to it. Like that people could see you. And now you get over here. And now.
Does he like
Now we're in
all
the
your
shot.
info?
Alright, so we're here to pick up the Nakama Nation shirts. So this is gonna be pretty exciting. We've never had a Nakama Nation shirt. And it's done. So we're gonna pick them up. Alright, that's good.
So I'm pretending I'm recording, but I'm not really recording. I don't know how to do this, but I love him.
You are
my-
recording. You
he's my
liar.
best-
All those ain't no beads.
I got you, babe.
Alright boys, good news. We got the shirts. I was really worried because inside the store it was kind of dark with the lighting, so it looked gray, and I was kind of disappointed because I thought it was gonna be like a silver metallic. And now that I see the shirts with in the light, holy shit! Look at this. All right, so let's take it out to the sun. You hold it up, baby. You model. Yeah. All right. Let's see that shimmer. What?
Shimmy, shimmy.
Look how hot that is. Oh, look how hot she is. Oh. Alright guys, so we got about 3 hours till the meet starts. It's been kind of a long day. I'm kind of stressed out. I haven't ate. I get kind of hangry. But the Z's here. The U-Haul's here. That's good. We got the space. Kind of a wrench in the soup. There's a lot of cars here and I wasn't expecting that. But hopefully they're gone by the time the meet starts. So I'm kind of nervous. Fingers crossed. We get lucky. I don't know. So yeah, Javier's on the way. He's going to pick me up and my girl. And then we're going to go get the Prelude and pick up some more friends. Hopefully that works out good. I'll catch you guys soon. This is the truck I ordered. Oh no, just kidding, it's this one. Javier's whip. It's a Genesis. Say what's good. Yo. Let's get this meat. Let's get this rolling. It's go time. We picked up the Prelude. We picked up Joseph. We had lunch. We just did like a whole impossible trip in traffic. And we made it here, right? Like a couple of minutes right before the meet starts.
Yo, but they can't see us, dude.
Yo, but they can't see us because look at this cock blocker. Look at this, right in front of our meat spot.
That's my donation.
Oh, it's your donation?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, just pulled up. Alright. It's nothing but like dildos. What the fuck, dude? Dildos
Straight black dildo.
And ain't no beads. But we made it. There they are. In their glory. This car hasn't been washed in 3 to 4 years, and today I washed it. Yo, shout out to the first two right here. We got Ronald and Andres. Yep.
Good.
First 2 cars of the meet. Little shout out for the boys. What's your Instagrams?
Ronald.FLA.
Right.
FC._Andres. ANDRES.
Yep. Hit them up. Alright, Christian, we found your shirt, bro. Where's your shirt at? Where's your shirt at? What's up? Where's your shirt at? Yo, that shit's sick, dude. It says Nakama Nation. What do you mean?
Why are you not gonna wear it?
Dude, look at this sick ass shirt.
I'm not gonna wear it.
Bro, look at this sick ass shirt.
Good.
Dude, they did not fuck with the name. That shit's good, bro.
You
ready to see your name.
Dude,
I'm not wearing it.
Nah, it's good, dude.
Do it.
You ready?
It's good.
dude, show him the.
It's gonna be your waste of money, dog.
I
give you.
Yeah, that's just clean, bro. Dude,
Clean, right?
that's just clean.
I'm not wearing it.
What?
Wear it, bro.
Come on, bro.
Bro, you gotta swear it, bro.
Dude,
I'm not
Do
wearing
you fit
it.
in that?
what?
not wearing it.
It's an XL though. Yo, you guys don't like that shirt? That shirt looks sweet.
It's not my size, though.
Dude, that's just
It's not my size.
look at that, bro. That shit clean as hell.
I'll be like, okay, this is the real one. Well, he's gonna be like, I'm not wearing it. It's probably fucked up too.
We found a spare.
This is fair.
We found a spare, bro.
Oh,
We found a spare, bro.
Ready? It says janitor 2. There you go.
Bro, yeah,
Okay.
Janitor wear it?
Yo, why you
I'll
crying?
wear that.
bro. What?
I'll wear that.
Why you crying? Get those tears out of your face.
Yeah, bro.
Who gave him the name?
What name?
Rob?
Mine has an H after the T.
Shut the fuck up.
No joke. Look it up.
Let's see who fucked up.
That's why I told you to get the janitor
Oh
one.
shit, hold up. Oh, so we're missing an H. Oh,
Christh.
shit. Let's see who fucked up. Oh shit.
It's a friend. We have your third shirt on the
It's
back.
a fuck. Oh shit, we out of shirts. Yo, look at that shit, clean as fuck. Alright. That's what's up. Let's get it.
Calories. Find out why a cold, refreshing, truly hard seltzer is the drink of the summer.
Bro.
What's up?
What was that? Here for what? Moral support?
Yes.
I love to catch up on.
Yo, I hope you know you gotta pay for that U-Haul, guys.
Oh, that shit's cheap, man.
That bill's gonna be high. That U-Haul, you gotta return the truck with the same amount of gas you get.
Thing's beautiful. Look like on fiber, what?
Poppy. Make that
What
car
do you
go.
want? You want air on the car on the Z?
Yeah.
Crazy. Hey, you gonna pay that Uber Eats fee? That's just $10.
Daddy, start sucking.
$10?
Yeah, bro. You gonna where the fuck you gonna get a monster out here?
Look at that. Okay, I'm like a child.
It's been a long day, super long, but not a bad turnout for a first meet. You know, had some peeps come out, hang out. Pretty good meet for a good cause. We got some stuff. Let's see what we got in the truck. Bro, people came out and donated. We got stuff. We got water. We got water out here. We got canned food. We got all types of stuff. So you know that's good. We got the signatures over here. Lit. You guys are fucking G's.
Thank you.
Fucking G's. Holding it down like the fucking since the beginning. Fucking awesome. All right, this is called Backyard Wrestling. We're gonna have a go. Right. We're here with the blue corner, red corner. All right, go ahead. Go. Oh my God! Jesus, we got the right pecker from the motherfucker. No mind, man. And the Brian over here.
You got me. You got the underhand.
Yo, what the fuck was that?
You got the underhand.
The fuck was that?
It's gonna get tired, bro.
That was the gay shirt. So you scooped the city and left. What the fuck? Damn, rev it up for me. That shit looks sexy. How much did you pay for your car?
Nothing. It's free.
Nice. Ale, go park.
Okay, we're A, right? A?
The Chili Squad. This is day 2. I'm trying to donate the stuff. I'm running out of time to give back the U-Haul. I probably have like about an hour or two to turn it in. And I fucked up so badly right now. Cause like, this thing was parked overnight, like across town, pretty much. And I got the keys to the U-Haul. But where the fuck is the key to the lock? Jesus Christ. Alright, so we just got to the park where we're gonna donate the stuff, so let's see how this goes.
Trying to see if they don't know the color.
We do. Okay, so there's
There they go. They're off. They're off with the stuff. Still got some cans out here, but we'll wrap this in the second round. Super happy with the turnout. Can't ask for more, you know. It's great that we were able to get the supplies, because if we didn't do this meet, we wouldn't be able to get this to the people in the Bahamas. So that's always good. This is where I'm going to end today's episode. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't already, subscribe below. Check out Nakama Nation. Check out me on Instagram. Yeah. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.